Hi, all equality, middle school parents and scholars. I hope you all are safe, happy, and healthy. I'm coming on to talk to you a little bit about a change that we're going to be undergoing as far as attendance is concerned. I know that change can seem a little scary sometimes, but I promise you, once we get this system down, it's going to make everyone's life a lot easier as far as attendance goes. To start, a little bit about the system that we're using right now for attendance. We use Google Classroom, where scholars have to log on to Google Classroom. They then have to go to the wellness page and do a Google form each day before they complete their work. Now we're going to switch to where they have to go into Teacherease. This system is going to be much easier because you can go on it not only on the computer but on your phone. There are no extra steps other than just logging on to Teacherease. Not only is it easier for scholars, but it's also easier for parents in the event that they want to take attendance for their child, just in case the kid's work schedule is different, or in case you have multiple children, or in case you were talking to them as they just finished their work, they're like, oh my gosh, I forgot to do attendance. You can very quickly as a parent go on, label them as here, and then move on. So if you look at my screen, what you're going to see is the big question: how will students and parents do this? Take attendance for e-learning. So on an e-learning day, which is any day that they do work, Monday through Friday, the time schedule will be the same, 8 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. That is just like it is now. It'll be just like that set in Teacherease. So students can go on during any of the hours during that time that they're doing work and track their attendance. First, when they log on to Teacherease, the student main page or the parent main page, they're going to see this icon come up that says e-learning check-in. Once you get here, the options are either check-in or cancel. This will be the first thing that pops up, and scholars and parents can't go anywhere else on the page until this item is complete. Once it's completed, you won't see it again if you log on later. Once you click the check-in button, it's going to take you to another window that says e-learning check-in, you are checked in. Then you click done. Once you click done, you're able to continue on to the rest of your lessons. We know that you're all super familiar with Teacherease, parents and scholars, from going on it to check grades, and parents also going on it to check to see if assignments are done. So the system is one that you're already familiar with, which is great. Parents with multiple children may also check in all of their children on the same window, instead of having to switch from one child's portal to the next child's portal. So if you have multiple children doing work and you want to go on your phone and do it, you can just simply go on. It's one quick step, again, for parents as well as scholars. I'm going to show you a quick video that's going to show you what it looks like, and then we'll be done. Here we go.
The e-learning attendance tool in Teacherease and School Insight allows you to efficiently monitor student attendance during e-learning days. Once turned on, students simply log into the student portal and are prompted to check in at the start of the day. This attendance data is stored in period attendance, similar to when instructors take attendance for a class. To turn on e-learning attendance, log in as a
All right. And that's it. Super simple. You simply log in, you click a couple buttons, and the attendance is done. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please let myself or Miss Ramsey know if you have any other questions, and I hope you're all taking care of yourself.